Get ready to change the way you charge your phone forever with the iWALK magnetic wireless power bank. This game-changing product has unique Magsuction technology and a finger holder, making it not just an ordinary portable charger. Designed specifically for iPhones with Magsafe like the iPhone 12, 13 and 14. Where can you go and meet hundreds of people just like you, strengthen existing relationships and forge new ones with vendors and distributors, and meet some of the biggest names in the industry, where you can go and see the newest tech and services that you need to make your IT business grow. And there'll be thousands of pounds worth of prizes up for grabs. Then what's more, you'll get that for a quid. TechMax 2023 will be on the 23rd of June at Magna Adventure and Science Centre near Meadowhall in Sheffield. This event will be over 4 times larger than last year's event, and this year's event will incorporate a live tech awards, dedicated meeting rooms, demo and interactive areas, and up to 800 other techs just like you. Get registered now at tftmax.com. First, let's talk about the packaging. The packaging is basic and to the point, and you can tell what the product is by just looking at it. The box has a minimalistic look to it, but it could use some information on the front saying it is for iPhone 12 and above or Apple MagSafe only phones, just to obviously clear up any confusion. In the box, we found a basic user's guide with a QR code, another user guide with warranty information, a sticker or a few stickers that will allow the battery to stick to older phones that have wireless charging but no MagSafe connection like the iPhone 11 and XR models, and a USB-C to USB-A cable for convenient charging. Before using the product, we found 2 stickers on the back that needed to be removed. We advise you to fully charge the battery before use, as well as our unit only had 3% battery life left out of the box, which is common with most rechargeable batteries anyway. There is a button on the side where you can check the charge level. You just basically press it and it shows you on a small information screen showing you how much charge you have. Setting up the product was very easy. All we had to do was push the battery against the back of our iPhone 12 or iPhone 14 Pro, and the magnets took it over and attached both devices together, and then it charged our phones. That's it. The iWALK magnetic wireless power bank is specifically designed for iPhone 12, 13 and 14 and possibly newer variants. This also includes things like the Pro and Max models. It is important to note that you really need a MagSafe phone for this to work, but it's nice to see they have provided stickers to attach an older iPhone that have standard wireless charging. On both of my phones, I have a silicone case, and this did not affect the charge or the battery sticking to the device. However, you may have issues with some larger and thicker phone cases, especially if they are not MagSafe cases. A nice addition to the product is the finger holder ring on the back. This allows you to hold the device better or use the ring as a kickstand, so you can watch one of our YouTube videos while you're sitting at your desk. In terms of battery life, the iWALK magnetic wireless power bank has 6,000 mAh capacity, which provides just over a full charge for most of the standard models, and maybe a little less for the Pro Max models. The product also has intelligent temperature control, which keeps the battery temperature low. The battery-powered LED indicator shows when the battery is full or getting low. I hope you enjoyed this video, and know I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.